How to add graphs on CapCut PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In order to add graphs on your CapCut PC, here is what you can do. First of all, open up your CapCut application, click on to import. Click any project that you would like to work on, then here click on to add, and you will see something like this. Now let's go ahead and add some keyframes. In order to add some keyframes, select the video, then you will see this diamond icon onto your scale. Click onto it, and you will see a white button here. Let's go ahead and right click onto the video, then click on Show Keyframe Animation. You can also use a shortcut key that is Alt plus K. As you do so, you will see something like this. Here, click onto this gray button, and here you will see a line. Now let's go ahead and add another keyframe. Let's go ahead and add a keyframe at this section of the video. Click onto the video, then click onto this diamond icon, and now the keyframe has been added. Now here, let's go ahead and make this a graph. You can also zoom in or zoom out of your screen in order to create a good graph. And once done, let's go ahead and play the video. Just like so, this is how you can do it. You can also increase or decrease the size of your graph in order to zoom in or zoom out of your screen. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.